Hi guys, this is KVS. Today let's talk about the new version of Spring Boot which was released in November 23rd, 2023. So that is the Spring Boot 3.2.0. So what are the new features and what are the advantages with the 3.2.0? Basically, the major change with the Spring Boot 3.2 is the virtual thread support. As we know, the JDK21 was released in September, and we have the virtual thread support. We do have the virtual thread support even before the Spring Boot 3.2, but those are the milestone versions, which is not the the real version. So I mean, after fixing all the issues, so now we have Spring Boot 3.2, so which supports the virtual threading. So definitely you guys might aware virtual threads. I'll make some video on the virtual thread to talk about more in detail. But for now, so let's talk about what are the new features as part of 3.2.0. And the other feature, basically the initial support for the JVM checkpoint. It's something related to the JVM, and we have the SSL bundle reloading, and there are some improvements on the observability, and also the major change for the RestClient. So RestClient again, so this is alternate to the REST template and the web client. As we know, the REST template is going to be deprecated soon, and we have the web client. And web client, basically it supports both the synchronous and asynchronous. And whereas the if you wanted to have any kind of a synchronous calls with the web client, so we need to block it. So if you are going to block it, the virtual threads are not going to support. So in order to use the virtual threads, so either we need to go with the REST template or REST client. Since the REST template is going to be deprecated, so we are going to use the REST client. And again, for the JDBC connectivity, we do have the support for the JDBC client, and the Jetty 12 support, and the Apache Pulsar support, and there are some SSL bundle support for the Kafka and RabbitMQ, and there are some nested jar handling and Docker image, the building improvements. So these are the the major changes. Definitely, it's going to be we are going to use. I mean, a lot of companies are already started using the Spring Boot 3.2.0, as people are already started using the virtual threads. So basically, from Spring Boot 3 itself, we need to use the JDK19 as the base version. And again, if you want to use the Spring Boot 3.2, you can use either 19. If you want to support the virtual threads, definitely we are going to use the JDK21 and the Spring Boot version 3.2.0. And recommended to use the REST client because web client, again, it's going to be either blocking or asynchronous. So these are the major features. So this is the page if you want to identify all the features, and again, you can verify all the release notes and other changes available in the official the Spring Boot page for the 3.2.0. So that's all, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be adding the REST client videos in the description so that you can go through and let me know if you have any clarifications. So that's all, guys. Please do subscribe and like and share this videos if you like it.